Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to continue with our configuration. Okay, just to let you know, as I have said in the previous episode, if you didn't configure your system properly, you cannot use the system, you cannot do most of the activities. So to do the configuration, so we need to go to configuration. So in the previous video we've already added our business information, okay, which is this. And then now we are going to shipping option. Okay, so to add a shipping option is same like with the way we added our business information. So you just click on create new. So let's say for example the courier will be maybe post laju. Okay, so here you can put any description in case your staff or any member of your company want to read this. So let's say this is a local post office, Korea, Malaysia. All right, so then how many days is the delivery? So let's say 1 to 3 days. So if you have the logo, you can put the logo, and if you don't have, it's okay. So let's try to find the logo, post laju logo. Okay, so this is the logo. So you can just download the logo, save, then save. So and then you can upload the logo here. All right, so it's very simple, and then you set the status as active. So now you've successfully added post laju as your courier. All right, so if you need to add more courier, so you can do that. So let's say J&T Express. Okay, so if you have the logo, you can put. If you don't have, it's okay. So this description also, if you don't want to put, it's okay. So then you set it as active. So you save the changes, and that is done. All right, so you can add as many couriers as you want. Okay, so if you want to edit, maybe to add on the logo later, so let's find again J&T logo. Okay, so you can use this logo, any of the logo, it depends on your choice. All right, so the system accepts JPEG, PNG, and so on and so forth. So let's say for example you try to upload a video, for example video, so you cannot select a video, so only a photo, because this require photo. So then save the changes, and that is done. So now you successfully added your shipping courier. So if you want to delete the courier, so you can just click on the delete button, and once you delete it, the courier will be deleted. Okay, so this is how to add shipping logistic to your LimaPay invoice system. Thank you, see you in the next video. Bye.